Hey, hi. So this is the project demonstration for Indian traffic violence detection. So let's begin the project. So in this project, having multiple modules like number of passenger detection, helmet status detection. Basically, this project take input source like input video, image, etc., and it analyze the image. Just consider as a image. It analyze the image, and based on analysis, it identify the riders key how many riders are there, and then it identify key which rider is wearing helmet and which rider is not wearing helmet, and how many number of passengers at that particular rider frame. It identify that, and accordingly it will suggest key whether we should send Challan to that particular rider or not, like that. Okay, and it also automatically send Challan or email address. So let's this is the login page, so we can directly put the credentials and we can directly begin it. So this is the home screen. So from here we can pass the input source. First we'll go with image. Okay, so just have to click the image, and then you have to select your input image. I have given you some testing images. If you want to pass your own, you can do the same. Okay, so as you can see, this is the one of the image where having two passengers and they are not wearing helmet, right? It take time as it's very complex model, so it is doing multiple processing internally and multiple thread execution, so it takes time. So as you can see, system has detected key this is the rider, this is the license plate. It is also detected the license plate, right? It is not clearly visible, but still it has detected, right? And this is a rider, and these are the passengers, and those are not wearing helmet, right? And once it will get pop-up, you have to press q. Once you press q, it will open the admin panel. So this is the admin panel. From here we can send the challenge. So as you can see, as of now it is not wearing the helmet, and also we have given option to change the status, as it is machine learning, right? So we can't consider as 100% accurate, so we have also given the option to change the to um, status. Also we have given the input box as we can see, number plate is not visible, right? So it is not it's machine learning AI system, right? It's not 100%. So sometime may happen it will give false prediction or false number plate or false helmet status or number of passenger status, that can be occur, right? So that's why we have given the authority key. User can automatically type plate number as well. Okay, if system has not detected or if I had made the incorrect prediction, right? So similarly, as you can say, it as they are not wearing helmet. So if I click to send Challan button, then it will send Challan to temporary email ID. For as of now, I have used my, and it should send a Challan of helmet, right? So if I check my email ID, let me refresh it. So as you can see, I have got one mail. So in this mail, you can see I have got a mail key. You have break the following traffic rules, and they are charging as a 500 rupees. And they have also sent us a image key where you have uh, break the Indian law, right? So this way it is working. Similarly, if I pass some other image, let me select some other images. Like if I go to desktop, let me choose this one. It has multiple riders. So it's basically processing is depend on your laptop performance. If you have good laptop, then it will process it quickly. So as you can see, there are phone number writers are there. Let me click directly go to admin panel. So as you can see, this is the one of the prediction. And if I click to next, then etc., it will automatically give you the outputs key how many writers are there. Based on that, it will detect. Okay, so as you can see in this case, license plate was visible, so, and the number is also visible. So it has giving the number plates. Okay, and we can see it seems like the three passengers are there. So number three passengers, and as I said, sometime it will give false prediction as well as right. So right, so it is we have given the option to change it, right? Similarly, let me pass some other videos. So it's a machine learning, right? And we are implementing real time, right? So real time we can't consider as a 100% accurate. It can be anything, right? In real time, multiple things depend, like lighting condition, image quality, etc. As good quality image you pass, as good quality result you will get. Okay, similarly, let me pass some image, let's select some good image, like let's select this one. So as you can see, it is not wearing helmet. So like this, it is working, and it is working very well because we have used YOLO algorithm. So YOLO is very accurate. If you do the same implementation with other algorithm, it will won't give this much accuracy. Okay. Similarly, let consider select this one. So you can pass your own image as well. You can click real time image and you can pass into this as well. Okay. Just make sure image should be clear and background should be clear. Okay. So as you can see, this is the prediction, and let me click go to free. So as you can see, number of passengers are four, and only one person is wearing helmet, and others are not. So yeah. So this way, it is working. Okay. So similarly, you can pass the video as well. Suppose let me click to video, and let me go to desktop and pass the video. So as of now, I have not found such proper video, so I have just created with random images. Okay. So as you can see, for video thing, it will take time as it will process one by one frame, and it will then store the status, and it will then show it every violence into admin panel. Okay. So it will take time for video, as video has more number of frames, right? So that's why. So it depend on your laptop. Okay. If you have good laptop, it will process it quickly. Okay. So let's wait until it's completed process. Okay. So till you can check the prediction, right? Ki it is working very well as we expected. So in the console, you can check the result. Ki what is the plate number, what is the number of passenger, and violence found or not, like that. Okay. And for license plate, helmet, person detection, and rider detection, we have used YOLO algorithm. And for uh, building UI, we have used Tkinter. Okay. And for language, we have used Python language. Okay. So it is here you can see it is very unclear picture. So it is detecting, right, properly, ki with a helmet, wearing helmet or not, like that. And this all are real time images. Okay. So that's why keep laptop with a good GPU and CPU. GPU is not required. Keep it as a good CPU. At least i5 processor, 8 GB of RAM. That will be fine. Okay. So as you can, it's a very huge video. So that's why taking time. So as you can see, it is not wearing the helmet, but it is keeping in hand. But still, it system has not detected because that is not wearing, right. He is just hanging. In this case, also like you can see, it has detected. It is also like very low quality image, but still it has detected. So sometimes it work very well, very good. Sometimes it not okay, or but in average, it is working very good. Okay. So what exactly it is doing? It is taking image. It is first identifying the riders, and based on rider, it is just cropping every rider into a separate image. Okay, and then it is internally processing every rider images to identify a plate number, number of person, and helmet status. And then whatever number of person were found in a particular frame, it will consider as a number of person, and same helmet and same license plate. Okay, like that we are processing. So as you can see, all image process has done. So as you can see here, number of passengers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, right? So it has detected 6 number of passenger not wearing helmet. Number plate is also not found. So this way it is working. Then you can go next image, next image, next image. So whatever violence has found, it will just store data and will show in admin panel. Okay. So like this it is working. Okay. So yeah, so this way it is working. Do let me know in case any doubt or issue.
Thank you friends for watching my video. If you are new, then subscribe channel and share with your friend. Thank you.